morning, guys. Owen gave me a 5-hour stretch last night. That's the longest he's done. He is almost 4 weeks old, so he's in the bouncer. Carson's watching a little bit of show, and I'm gonna do some stuff like get breakfast and try to get myself ready for the day. Good morning, guys.
Hi.
Owen just woke up. He slept in this morning. I showed this on Snapchat, but I want to show you guys here. This is magnets. Check this out. Isn't that so cool? I want to be friends with the person who invented that. Aww. Owen does not approve of the latest from Do It on a Dime. So I just made a video live. Baby's sleeping on my shoulder. It's a very glamorous situation. Just gathering up some laundry. And do you guys do this? Can you pick up stuff with your feet? Yeah, I'm super talented. Check that out. So many of you have been asking about this on Snapchat. This is the necklace right here. And it says Mommy, Carson and Owen, and it's from Etsy.
Mommy,
yes, buddy?
There's no more Pokemon. I checked it.
You checked and there's no more Pokemon?
See?
Oh, yeah. Here, let's wait. Turn it around. You're right. Well, keep it open for a minute because sometimes they appear.
And this is Botada. This is Stordom.
This is new. I got this after Owen was born because I wanted something for Carson to be able to play with while we were chilling outside. This thing is awesome.
It goes like this. And water comes out.
I really have to remind myself to drink water because on these busy, hot days, I always forget. So it helps to have a big cup. If you're following me on Snapchat, you have seen this. We ordered a cup of caterpillars from Insect Lore. It was a gift from my sister-in-law for Carson. And these are caterpillars. They are huge. They were so small. After they turn into a chrysalis, what do they become?
Butterfly.
Just pulled out tonight's dinner from the deep freezer. We've been so blessed with family and friends making us meals. So here's Carson's lunch, and here's the start of my lunch. Steak, avocado, heirloom tomatoes from the garden, totally nature's caviar, and a little bit of leftover beets, and then I need to find something else to eat. So the little guy just woke up. He slept for a super long time this morning. So Owen's just chilling in his rock and play, and we're having a little bit of lunch. Finally, we got a chance to eat, huh? He looks so happy in there, doesn't he? He does look happy. No wonder he was so happy in there, you guys. This is mom life right here. So we decided it was time for a little bath. And I got my helper right here. I'm washing him with this little Norwex rag. My mother-in-law went to a party and she brought this home. It's like a washcloth. I don't know. Isn't Norwex supposed to be like magical or something? You guys tell me how it's magical. I don't know anything about Norwex, but if you know, you should let us know. How was your bath, little guy? Was it good? Did you have a good bath? You did. All of us are hitting the post-lunch slump. Baby is sleeping in the little carrier. Carson's just chilling on the couch, looking at books and random stuff. And I'm getting so tired too, trying to rally for this afternoon. Mommy has to go put baby Owen down, okay? And while I'm doing that, on this page, can you find all the animals that are inside something and color them in? I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I'm back.
See that?
You did! Oh, wow. Look at your work, Carson. You colored in a lot of animals on this page.
Okay, let's do this one now.
Baby took a short nap and we are taking the comforter upstairs. We gotta go get baby, huh? I'll help down here. Nice job. All right, we're kind of getting ready for what seems to be nap time, and we're gonna clean this up. Who's gonna help me clean up this room? How about you? Oh, there's one lone book left. Grab it. Do you think we did a good job, buddy?
Yeah, but it's not good.
I think we did a good job. Okay.
I don't want to go to sleep.
I know, but it's time. This is one of my favorite parts of the whole day. Just cuddling a snuggly baby. They don't stay like this for very long. So while Carson is sleeping, I just took some time to clean up the kitchen. Carson's up from nap, and he and his brother are just hanging out in your tent, huh?
I wish baby to talk.
He'll be able to talk very soon. It'll be sooner than you think. Popping some dinner into the oven. Daddy's home.
Hi.
And I'm about to make some zucchini fries using garden zucchini. We have so much of this stuff. And baby's finally down. There he is. Nothing fancy, but it is perfect for this evening. So we just finished dinner and I am just working on a few things in the office for Do It On a Dime and editing and all that stuff because Owen is doing a tremendous sleep, which is good because he really didn't sleep much this afternoon. Hopefully he sleeps tonight. This is my marshmallow. I'm fading fast. I need to make Carson's lunch for tomorrow for camp. Kitchen is pretty much clean. Downstairs is pretty much clean. Here's Carson's lunch for tomorrow. And I always try to add one little thing to his lunch so he knows that I made it and I love him. So I never got to folding the laundry, but I did complete the laundry, so that is a good thing. And sorry you guys didn't get to see a lot of Charlie tonight. He is actually working on an obituary for a friend of ours from college who very suddenly passed away. It just really makes you realize how fragile this life is. He was just such a wonderful, passionate, awesome, caring man. And for Charlie to be able to work on his obituary, that's what he does for a living, is writing and speech stuff and all that jazz. And for him to be able to honor his friend in that way is really, really special. Hug your loved ones, tell them that you love them, and just live each day like it counts. I don't want to end on like a sad or somber note, but that's real life. That is life, and that's what I'm vlogging, is life. So I love you guys. God bless you and your family, and I will see you in my next video.